This HDMI digital scope allows users to view images directly on an HD-capable monitor in crystal-clear 1080p resolution with no PC required. Users can see high-quality images while looking straight ahead at a large screen, rather than hunching over narrow microscope eyepieces, eliminating potential neck and eye fatigue issues. The Cyclops HDMI system features a large 9-inch working distance with a magnification range up to 132 times on a 21.5-inch HD monitor. The 2-megapixel CMOS sensor duplicates both color and depth at 30 frames per second without the lag commonly associated with cameras. A 30 LED integrated adjustable intensity ring light allows for examination of objects with various stages of light. The included infrared remote controls all major features, including optical zoom, step zoom, freeze, auto white balance, sharpness, lighting, focus. Cyclops HDMI includes a unique auto-focusing feature, allowing the user to tilt, rotate, and lift objects closer to the objective lens and focus without adjusting the working distance. The following Cyclops and Cyclops HDMI accessories include 10 times objective lens for higher magnification applications, 4 times long focus lens for applications requiring additional working distance, 4 times lens with polarizer, used to reduce problematic glare when inspecting. For high-quality imaging and powerful magnification without a PC, the Aven Cyclops HDMI is the ideal choice for your inspection or assembly area.